Buying a home can be exciting and stressful at the same time. But the last thing you want to do is buy a home that has hidden problems that may cause more costly and worrisome issues later on. A home buyer's checklist will help you move smoothly throughout the buying process, from previewing the property to the home inspection, the final walkthrough, and moving into your dream home. Here are 6 areas that you, as the buyer, can focus on when previewing a property that you're considering buying. Number 1. Foundation. Is the foundation in good condition? Check for any signs of issues like cracks or settling that could cause trouble later. Second is structure. Are there cracks and misalignments that may need repair? These types of defects or issues can impact the overall structural integrity of the property. Number 3. Exterior. Check the siding, windows, and doors, and look for faded, stained, and peeling exterior paint, as well as displacement and cracks in the driveway, walkway, patio, and porches. Number 4. Interior. Are there visible cracks on the walls, flooring, or signs of moisture? What about an odor upon entering the home? Number 5. Plumbing and HVAC. Run the water looking for good water flow, rusty or leaky pipes. Does the air conditioning unit cool? Heating unit heat well? Is there a smell of gas inside the home? Number 6. Electrical. Do lights come on? Does the garbage disposal work? Anything electrical should be tested as you walk through the home. Is the service panel easily located? Being a home buyer can be daunting if you don't know what to do or what questions to ask. A buyer's checklist makes it easier to look for issues when previewing homes, eventually making a good buying decision.